Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Pardon me, I can't talk very much. So this is surgery day vlog, and then after surgery I was able to vlog to show you guys, yeah, because I've already finished when I went for x-ray when they booked me for surgery. So I have to do this. Thank you so much. I hope you are doing fine. Alhamdulillah. So this is me. I want to save this video, so I need to put voice note because I wasn't talking here. So here I'm done with the surgery. You can see the doctors cleaning up the teeth. They were so good to me, mashallah, alhamdulillah. So if you are here in Dubai and you have any problem with your tooth and you need affordable way, go to Thumbay, okay? It's not expensive. You just take your registration fee and the rest is free, okay? Yeah, because they have doctor surgeon, because the surgeon did my surgery for me. This is a strong surgery because it took more than 1 hour before they could remove this tooth. Yeah, so they have to book a surgeon for me, the surgeon, okay? So you can go there and you'll be fine, inshallah. You just have to have patience. Yeah, so this is me. I'm done with the surgery. It was so painful. And then guys, keep watching. I think from here I was talking. So thank you. Please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Keep watching. Subhanallah, this is so disgusting. I can't show you guys. I'm still bleeding. Guys, can you see? I can't feel my this side lips. I don't know. How am I going to show you guys? I can't feel this side lips. It's dead. It's dead. It's numbness. Yes guys, another thing is that I changed my hospital, okay? At first I went to a private hospital and they said it's 300 dirhams. If you watch my surgery preparation vlog, you hear from the doctor. But here at Thumbay, it's just 30 dirhams. You pay for registration and the rest is free. So I recommend Thumbay for you. If you don't, if you have Thumbay around where you live in UAE, just go, okay? I hope you find this helpful. Finally. Ah. This place is dead. I can feel soft, but this place is hard. They give three anesthesia injection because before they start they gave me two, but when they were trying to put pressure to remove the tooth, it was so painful, so they have to give me another one. Yeah. So it takes more than 1 hour, guys. Alhamdulillah. So I'm heading home. So guys, I'm home. Alhamdulillah. Guys, the doctor asked me to take something cold at least for today. I should not take anything hard and hot. So I ordered for this ice cream. Bismillah. I can't even open my. It's raining, guys. It's raining. This is beautiful, mashallah. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi. It's raining. This is past 10 p.m. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. So guys, this is after so many hours. Alhamdulillah. After taking a nap, the pain reduced a little bit, because me swallowing and spitting or bringing something out of my mouth, it was so painful. So it was so severe. I was hearing the pain in my tummy. I couldn't I couldn't do anything again. I just took a nap. Yeah. So the doctor just said I should take brufen if I'm having some pain, and then I should take ice cream. I can't eat anything since then. Thankfully, alhamdulillah, I had sandwich before the surgery. Yeah. So but I took antibiotic for myself right now, and then pain relief. I don't like brufen. Yeah, so I took paracetamol with caffeine, with amoxicillin with clavonate, 625 milligram. That was what I took. So guys, I ordered for medication because I took the last antibiotic. So I ordered it online. So the delivery guy is still parading looking for our building. That comes to the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Yeah, it's raining, alhamdulillah, which is what so many people like to experience here in Dubai or Asian country, because it's hardly to rain. So thank you so much. Please click the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and then pray for me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlogs. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.